How to share WhatsApp group link without admin. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can share WhatsApp group link without admin's approval. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start. First of all, just head over to the group in your WhatsApp. After that, in order to share the WhatsApp group link, you just need to tap on your WhatsApp group's name at the top. After that, when you scroll down a bit, you should be able to see the link of the group if you were the admin of the group. So unfortunately, there is no such way on how you can share the group link without the admin's approval. So what you can do instead is just contact the admin of the group. And when you contact the admin of the group, that just ask that person for the link of the group. Just ask that person to give me the link, to give you the link of the group. After that, just share the group's link and ask the admin to approve the members. So therefore, just follow that method, and you should be able to add people on that group without by sharing the link of your group on without the admin's approval. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.